A motivational speaker once said he started his goat farm with just 2 goats. Do you know it is possible? Let me explain. He bought 1 male and 1 female. In 5 months, the female reproduced. In the period of 9 months, that same female reproduced. The children of the goats, they also reproduced. Before 5 years, the goats in the farm, they are already plenty. Just that the only way you can attain this is when you don't sell your goats, when you don't eat them. You keep on reinvesting back. You don't sell.